say ye de ewura Wontumi so aba bedru eye high court na high court no mo beka ye a Exim Bank busia bi okogye ye ho asem be ye deja no e ko si se nam ne lawyer for so ka kire court ni say obetua sa eka no obetua na kakanti court no ma kwan say ene oni attorney general prosecution no enkotena se no wo monhwe ehyehyeye wo ho ene kwan obefa so na wo de atua eno na akopie ne ntia yakte ni se wo mantimi ansi ginaye na enei ena eso mbeka kire court ni se ampa yaye ni sei chama Wontumi ese obetua ni se kopum se defa na yeso attorney general for yate ase na no me ne lawyer and dia pe ku bi di nkoma wa ha no wo se na on dia say asem wanya ndey nipa no a wo ko Plea Bagain ama na mo di na kwa ko hu he ene wo ne dia ye edu onu dia sa asem ne dia on dia ne je bisa no enyi se na ne wura ko wi ase awo anu no wura ba ho me yo no anu o se Wontumi friend and na ko je awase wo ko no na Wontumi friend no o ka jen say yes ye de me betum ne ye de me tum a akwa appeal. So, but of course, if you don't have a legal representation, if a case, I don't free prison. Sibabi Wontumi when yes we journey or jail. If he has to go to court, the court will summon the prison officers to bring him to jail. I don't quite easy. Without a legal representation, you may or you may not have legal representation. It's your right. If you don't choose to enforce it, if you choose not to enforce it, it's your own issue. No, me imitate mu no ye prison officers no Plea already in common. Was it ye ni preference bi ase wo de owo sika wo de wo ye why lawyer that wo de why accountant. And no thing I say they should stop this visitation of Wontumi. They should stop it. And your rally ground, they should let the man be there and reflect. They should stop it. So what for is loved by many. Kwame may say NPP for no woman kohono. They are just going to see him and come and laugh. They are very happy. I can say, but could be all kind of dangerous upon the so very attractive say, oh dear, I want to hear Kwaku Annan will be the baby. Oh, there be I mean, if it offends ethics, I mean, I can apologize and withdraw. But I'm just saying, sir, I don't trust the NPP people. And your idea, Omunye Bida. Hey, only NPP ni and not no one way. What's say? And now they have a record of poisoning themselves. They even have a record of getting to party conference. NPP is possible of, they are capable of doing everything. And now they can. Yeah. I say, yeah, I'm called primary. Then, and you've been a can and pay how Bawumia have allowed. But I said, Bakuni, say, Northern region, one, no. And the guy in the club cancer, charmer, yeah. And they say, the papa could be an abiqua on your party. But I know some medium who come as them say. Nipabakawa units, on Kawa units, so the state must be alert on all these pretentious visitors, NPP4. Oh, time I want to me, yes, I do. They were in power. Amen. Yeah, the year which I want to me a Babedu court. Now, NPP for me to say, on our Kojo Kyeremanteng, there was some honorable Sammy Oku, Richard Anyagba, and the other NPP Benifon Baby. Now, Baku woman is a lead counsel for a year which I want to me a year and the appear Kubi. Went to me, I'm a PM. As in bank case, now you do to me about court, sanity. Let me tell you, Kwame, let me assure Bawumia and his party that after Kwan, you best set a band Mukutupa. Will be aware US Kabia or bet trim. If he has to be arrested, he will be arrested. And a program to work before. Number 2, Obi Bia Bakankwas, a Simbia Etiamra. The person will be arrested. One more power back, Kwame. One more a Debbie MP for the ban. One more wins our nominee and Ketuanka home.
And also, woman prison from my politicians, NDC from Kwan. But in the next 8 to 12 years, dear, Kwame, I'm
provided that
there's evidence
exactly enough to incriminate them
exactly
and then secure conviction.
Exactly. So look,
sentence.
They have run away from Wontumi's judgment, from the judges and Ewe to the judges and NBC to the judge Wontumi. Nano, no of our friends, Wontumi lawyer friends.
And the appeal could be
or say
attached.
Wontumi cry, pokra, no cry, judgment na sana.
The mammy quote your grass and my mammy friends. Hey, judgment in Manyabio.
None ya Wontumi, ye, one endings of a Koje. Exim Bank, DB, one endings of a. But let me tell you, Kwame, none me can say. I said prison crown here, Muja, a Hopeson station. And yes, NPP for a bit near the Papanabon because they are more happy for Wontumi's incarceration. I am telling you here, NPP for any JSN and cry away in this. I'm telling you, and I know it for a fact.
NPP
look, woman need Papa and now. Chairman for number chance, not cham. I want to know a population.
Oh, but send about one woman. If I go any chairman, I want to be there. Momu, and I yes, Monsieur said. So, want to win number yet national chairman say, cream and this year, 2028.
Said the entire.
Because fame our day ban is more than appetite.
And I galamsey him, Okateche, prefer him. Yeah, every another thing. Okay, so you want everything. But you are going to check. So I tell him, Bibi Kaka. Next time. Next time, I'll call grassroots.
Be me pacho. So also a near day and fan.
Correct. Until next time, no. If he's there, Consul is not the same as grassroots politics. Oh, quiet, Kafra. Yeah. I tell him, Bibi Kaka. I'm not there, no, Bisami.
Was it? Aha, not me be success.
Yeah.
Now hold on.
Yeah.
Dear, sad, dear, you were offenses, no? It was session 99.
Yeah.
Now, dear, no, Shiama, minimum, quite homogena, so there be a or say offenses and penalties. A person who buys or sells minerals 1A without a license in accordance with section 682, 97 and 104 or a valid authority granted under this act or any other enactment commits an offense and is liable to a summary conviction to a fine of not less than 10,000 penalty units and not more than 15,000 penalty units and to a term of imprisonment not less than 15 years and not more than 25 years.
Honorable Otchere Mensa Busu na yes Amre. He led it to the passage. He was the leader of government business. Meboa. Nana do mrani. Dominican there. And this I said
maybe at the end it was passed by parliament.
Said Otchere Mensa Busu na de koye. And then you if you make kind of honorable Otchere Mensa Busu. Some ray on a passage. I said Tribuna ya omunu omuka unya krom for abesi den no wosro Tribuna. Kwame unim say unya krom for when wia wo man ade when nye bone a. Why are you against the Tribuna? Kwame me Wontumi kra na edi na yes Supreme Court justice. I don't have a problem because the law is the law. Me nkobo kro no nya bi ache. Uche me kwan morning so a no so de you baby ado befa. But if you are not a thief, why are you against a tribunal? Sa petro ni ubotomu ada na usroja. Kwame the NPP, I'm getting shocked. I'm getting surprised. I mean, we know how political parties behave in opposition. But this one, me who be that? Just say and twice mukra. And crop for woman deep on in ray. Just say we are 10% cranomus. One make Obi ako jail, nipa ba ako jail nti. Ye call parliament and Amosha black. I mean, what is this?
See,
what a shameful political tradition.
Prisoner.
What is the issue? He's economic prisoner, 20 years. He would go. If it happens to me, I don't conduct myself well, and the time comes, I should go.
Okay.
Oh, time Wontumi, yes, I do. They were in power. Come listen.
But sir, Sabre, me say na bibi on told that because your man pregnant now be can say. Yeah. One of his press briefing he said Akuntan mining is not involved.
But Nanadu was an enabler. He was an authorizer, a beneficiary of the sort of ills under his government.
Where he sits as a president, he brief
because he's surrounded by people who came for themselves, not for the government and the country. They lied to him. Nanadu was a participant in every single bad thing that happened in his government. Nanadu loved bad boys. Udi Bonia and Nanadu Pewas Empire.
Then what makes it such a
How can you say that Wontumi didn't do anything wrong?
Your
own minister have declared the man's activities illegal. Abu Jinapo is a very good lawyer. A very intelligent lawyer. Abu Jinapo. He's been the deputy chief of state. Proud to becoming a minister for life. So if Abu can come to a conclusion that activities of a certain company is illegal, then the president says, oh, who is giving you the briefing? Because when you have a sector minister in charge of lands and natural resources, it is a brief of the sector minister that you talk from as a president. Where was he getting that report from? Where was he getting it from? It's the same thing Honorable Otchere is doing. And you know, they law no call parliament. See, hands the punishment from 3 years to 15 years. Was there anywhere in the law say if companies take mining lease and undertake illegal activities, they should sentence the company and leave the human beings to work? I mean, it's not right.
Be obi sende ma biebi na me anso me kohwe ekoye ho research na wose die na ekuta ono no na ode eye no ha ba jo die for a minerals commission the march ama Wontumi Akuntan mining project a notice of grant of mining lease was there no mining license
Ntina Honorable Otchere so granting in the interview and where was he reading from?
The one of the Brazil no judgment when you be a kind and all critic.
He is not basing it on the law that he made. He sent to Parliament. That they determine the ingredients of the crime.
Okay, yeah.
Number 2, they pass the law and enhance the punishment. That the judge is only a determinant of what the law says it should be.
Now, baby, I mean, me am shame kakrano. See, nipa timideo at 99 making kaje muntin kakra bi fu. Or say, but me think I'll say 99. Or say, a person who without license by the minister undertakes a mining operation contrary to the provision of this act. B. Acts, instigates, commands, counsels, procures, solicit in any manner purposely aids, felicitates, encourages, or promotes any act in contravention of this provision, act in respect of which a penalty has not been specified. So to a big graph for say,
Uncle, a year.
Who solicited?
Yes.
Oh, make me a young will be grandma, Busia Kakrana, the
yes. It's tantamount to the ingredients of abetment and conspiracy.
Cancel nipa ni say you procure. Hey,
how can you make such a law and then you are trying to lie to the whole country that NDC is witch hunting somebody? How can you do that?
Baba, you know the pardon it. Say Mahama 2028.
And I say we are confronting now. You will be an Obianco. Wontumi is a convicted criminal. It's simplicity.
Not a political prisoner.
Political prisoners. And he's a politician who have gotten himself involved in crime. Not just one, more will follow.
As I said, we are 2028, not them more than 1 year.
So, Kwame, who are those thinking that them 1 year, 2 years, who are those thinking like that? So we should have a democratic country where when people are convicted.
Why?
Asante Bediatuo. You want to be young choir no summer boy, but be a young man on young choir no honey. I am quite no honey. I mean, Kwame, this whole MPPs, I mean, they need to stop it. I mean, for God's sake, this is not politics. You are insulting the people of Ghana. They are becoming very irritating. Their behavior is becoming one that Ghanaians are not willing to entertain. How can you just decide to say, "Who could try and trust that or mine?" I mean,
Madame for senior Hosi,
yeah,
Asante maybe was say at the so a young one was said the court now bet to mind to it.
Yes,
sir, Ogasa who
excavation, reclamation, excavate and reclamation. A dozer. A dozer. Any dump truck.
We are baby, this all excavate fear.
Debbie. We are mind new beer. A pit and a gravel now with two. And a tailings, but be our whole radio. So you are filling the pit. And when you fill the.
Now, what's a galamsey only wood, my
me, I'm a consultant. Not for galamsey, but anti galamsey. I have done a lot of operational consultancy.
Wow.
Entrance and go for them, I just laugh at them. That's my expertise.
I mind responsive.
I don't want to mind because the back of me come and share my margin is in Pisca.
Aqua Pisca.
Menkoye contract na NPP for Benyame. Confusion or Mushaman. Medi, I'm so much titty or more as some getting her mom. Kwame Addo, I bet mamma who by yes,
because never say never. Baby, be an NPP.
Me, I see me now, quite a says Uncle Bawumia Papa. Ceremony beer or Dom NPP beer, Unima Addo, dear friend, Guinea pig was then.
Ah, for Dimra, Cocotte,
and the idea trial, homes on we antibiotics.
Do the idea of me.
It's about me, I'm on the years. I'm going to condemn prayer.
Yet now, 2028 for winning.
Why?
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia.
Me say, near Bawumia, I'm saying it.
So we statistics now.
I'm saying it.
And two about me and people for man. 1 year bear more than 2 million.
I'm saying it spiritually that. Overcoming. Na sa red lighter Bawumia child. Se wapene ama oba edini kunatem in support of him. It's a red line spiritually. 2.
Oh, yeah, prophet.
Yes, I'm saying it. 2. Say ya government for me. Eboya. Kwame. Next 2027 NPP for presidential candidate. I'm catching.
A car to hold.
I'm catching.
2027.
Yes.
NPP for presidential candidate.
Presidential
because
and yes, will be woo that be what be NC. they would change the presidential candidate.
Oma to abe we presidential candidate no.
They would. Na so man wo ho kra.
Do ambassador
Na wo hwe Bawumia. Sabi obetumi akura am na yi. Obi a ontimi hu from what is right to what is wrong. I'm not here
and deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana.
And no fa mpasa me ko to ade a national chairman kan ya. But they see her. But I'm saying that a man who sat down, exploit weaknesses of people to his political ambition, right? And I've quoted to you Kennedy Agyapong for example. You want to malign the individual, you want to get him suspended. Now you are saying that they should pardon everybody that insult, but you just disqualify somebody for insulting him. Kwame. Abronye eti ha saying did you about Bawumia fie ekodi asofo atem supporting his ambition. Who wie ya na adwuna na masofo so. Enro aso okwa asori wo see him cry charismatic Enro akwa asori. Who di asofo atem wie you want pastors to make you president. And adwuna na masofo fie. I know all of that.
Yamra Yamini so.
Na Yamini no why? Oh, David.
I'm party for Neka.
My party need Bianca. I buy him penny for a year. Yeah, party need Bianca.
Is he under investigation?
They said so. I buy him penny for or under investigation. Tomunya.
Near Bangla.
Tomunya.
Okay.
First, you are in a Charlie.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.